Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue number 34 of Build the Iconic Ford Falcon XB GT from our good old friends over at Hachette. Now, if you'd like to grab one of these 1/8 scale V8 interceptors from the madmax movie franchise, head over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. And you too can have one of these on your bench and be building this iconic car. Let's have a look through the magazine. We're building the rear left wheel now. So we got the parts of the wheel rim, the centre wheel rim, the bolts, obviously some screws to put that together. And this is where the wheel's going to attach on our Falcons, folks, okay? Nice, simple, concise, easy to follow instructions, as you can see there, beautifully illustrated, showing you all the bits and pieces, where they all go, how to orientate them correctly, and what we're going to end up with at the end of this issue, folks, okay? You've then got Isigonis Mini Marvel, yes, the legend that was the Mark I Mini, beautiful, beautiful car. I've had many of these myself over the years, me and the wife, and yeah, we have great fun in our little minis. Brief history on the Mini, its racing success, all of that you need to see. And then this is what's coming in the next issue, the rear tyre, hubcap, etc. So without further ado, let's get this back all put together, and then we can see what we got at the end of this issue, folks. So here's all the bits and pieces we've got today. Starting first, let's put our wheel nuts in place, pushing that through the back there, like so, so that they show up at the front side, okay? Notice there's a little woodruff key just on there. Can you see it? It looks like an upside down keel. That's important because that fits over the corresponding peg just there. Lets you know that you got this the correct way around, folks, okay? So we want to go in like so, and that will give us that. Then we put the rear section over the top in place, and then we'll secure that in place with the 3 screws. Let's grab one of those. We'll put our obligatory bit of oil on them. Just helps them go in place. We're going into die cast, so doesn't do any harm. Let that work its way around the thread, and then resting that on the knuckle, we can start screwing that in place like so. And then we'll do the same now with the other 2. Let's grab that, little bit of oil, rest me screwdriver across my knuckle, and then screw that one fully home as well. And then our last screw, same process, bit of oil, and fit that in situ. And that will now give us our wheel rim ready for when we fit this to the tyre, folks, okay? So that's what we've got at the end of today's issue. We've got a bit of wheelage going on there. Don't forget, folks, if you'd like to build this beautiful, beautiful 1/8 scale Ford Falcon XB GT yourselves, head over to the Hachette website. There's a clickable link below in the description. And you too can be building one of these yourselves. Also, to help me out, to help me grow my channel, you can give a little Festa a click in the corner. Massively appreciated, it really is. Ring the bell whilst you're there and select all. That way you'll get notified of future content. In the meantime, thanks so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.